Welcome back to Politics Watch. This is Sir P. Now today I'm going to talk about a number of events. The main thing, or the first thing I'm going to talk about, is a picture of none other than Delano Wilmot, aka Preke Boy. Right now, you may remember the big exclusive picture that dropped with Preke Boy walking through the community with his M16 in on. Now, been sent another picture, and this picture is exactly how it was predicted Preke Boy would end up, in an early grave. This time he's not walking through a community. This time he's not posing over another body. This time he lie down in a casket. And I have to say, this is the first time I've ever seen somebody look, how do I put this, sharper, cleaner, dead than when they were alive. I've never seen anything like this. Preke Boy looked younger in the casket than when he was breathing. First time ever. Now, of course, you'd have seen the picture where I showed his transformation. It seemed as if it gone the opposite direction now. People, you have to go see it for yourself. You have to go see it for yourself. Now, you already know where to find the picture, because obviously, I mean, well, I guess I could post it here, but I know everybody not like see them thing there, right? Enough people don't want to see nobody in a casket, right? So it's up to you, at your own discretion. You can go view the picture on the website at politicswatch.com. People, please take your time. You don't need to go there now, right? You know, the entire channel, try to look at one picture one time. The site slow down completely, right? No matter how much extra bands, width and whatever them call it, no matter how much we increase it, same thing happen. 30, 40, 50,000 people I try watch or look at one thing over a short space of time. The site will go slow right down. So just take your time and you can go over there or check out the picture of Preke Boy, and I suspect by the time one person get it, then it will go float around and then you'll probably see it on every social media page. Right, but we know some people probably want to see him, so you can go check it out. Right, and I've already requested more pictures and possibly a video, if so be the case, and when I get that, I will add it to the website. For those of you who are unaware, Preke Boy is the 87 who has captured the people's imagination more than any other I've ever covered. As they say, numbers don't lie. 2 videos, both of them over 500,000 views. But from time to time, people are asking me, the Preke Boy funeral, or they know nothing more about him body. You have to remember, when somebody, especially like 87, get taken out in them kind of circumstances, there's usually a long delay until the family or the relatives or whoever, girlfriend, whoever, can get the body to bury. Now, you would think that there'll be some kind of hoopla and lots of excitement around Preke Boy's funeral. You have to remember this. 1, Preke Boy was not a 90 octane. Not like when you hear about the Willie Haggard and them and the drop out and them have these big hell of a funeral and how much MP come through. You have to remember, the Apex 87, right, or the Premium 87 is different from the 90 in the sense that the 90 is usually embedded with politicians. The 90 and politicians, the MP rub shoulders. So when the 90 drop out, the MP have to go show him face. Apex 87, like Preke, he, to be honest, is much more dangerous than the 90, because the MP can rein in the 90. The MP can call the 90 and tell him, say, yo, what you do? And if the MP and if the 90 go like him or give him too much back chat, then he can be removed, quote unquote, removed, if you get my drift. Apex 87, like Preke, they're not interested in the political side of it. They're not interested in rubbing shoulders with the politicians and go get no vote for nobody. They're interested by 1, they want to take turf, hold turf, and they want to make a bag of money. When they make their money there, they buy more guns and recruit more 87s, and then them build out them own local gang, and then just can move through, them can set up extortion, them can go do them robbery, them can have them scamming section. This is what they're really interested in. So this is why you see these modern day criminals. The reason why they're so hard to stop is because, unlike the old school system that was very, how would I say, it was more structured. MP, done right on, foot 87s in the streets, right? It was more structured. So as soon as Dan step out a line, MP get rid of Dan, new Dan come in, and then the system just move on. These new 87s are Preke boy. They are more independent and much harder to deal with. Them not have to wait for the MP bring the weapon come get them. Them go buy them own. Right? That is one of the reasons why Preke was so hard to deal with, because traditionally a 87 like Preke boy, they could just go link the Dan, right? And then the Dan would have call him, and when the Dan call him, the Dan either discipline himself or set him up, make somebody wet him up. But because that wasn't the case here, Preke boy, and the Dan couldn't call him and tell himself to report, and or if any of the MP are call you for this the boss, nobody couldn't tell him that. These new modern 87s, people say them 87s are make money through scamming and them little thing there. We say them a chop, or do them own extortion. They are far more dangerous than the old school style of badness, than the old school style we have done. Far more dangerous, right? Them little youth, places on a mobby, you have one little young 87, make some money off of scamming, and him build out for him own little team, 10 87s. Between the 10 man them have 20 rifle, and him just go do all kind of madness. But anyway, I want to move on to the next topic. Portmore, community called Southborough. We're hearing that, and get ready for this, not one, not two, not three, not four, not five, not even 6. 7 people get shot Tuesday night. 7. 2 of them pass away. Other 5 end up in the hospital. Them probably reach home. Some of them probably reach home by now. 1 out of the 7 is a former Portmore United striker. I used to play for Jamaica. Yes, the national team. 7 people one time. And when you read the details of the story, it sounds very similar to the Portsmouth killing them. People them, they play domino. 87s pull up, right? Reports that 4 men pull up and shots start fly all about the place. Now, obviously, Simple Simon, the man never called me and tell me nothing. But I'm willing to bet, say them never come there for 7 people. Them never come there for them probably only come for 1, 2 at most. But that's how 87s operate. People sit down and play domino. Who remember one time we could have sit down and play domino till hours of morning? Now you have to watch your head back. Because 87 might come for 1 man or 2 people. And next thing you know, 7 people down at the hospital. Can't even play domino one night again. Complete madness. Now we are here to the community of Southborough. Everybody tense. Everybody tense. People are still them know what go on. But you know that already. When residents them say they know what go on, what that really means is they can't believe it really get to that stage. That's what it really means. You know what I mean? Say, boy, they can't fathom how something. What them really mean is, boy, it really get out of hand. Because it have to get out of hand for the people them react, you know. So right now, I guarantee you people are going to start make some call. Enough local man who used to wonder about the place, and people are going to start make some call because it have to get out of hand with certain communities make the call. Everybody know what the things, you know. Everybody know. By the time the bodies them touch the ground, people know who do it, where they come from, who they really want, which retaliation. All that go on. People, the streets know everything. Streets know everything, but enough people, a lot of people are willing to keep quiet so long as to know, oh, a 1-man job, or a 2-man job. But when people hear say, people sit down on domino, sit down on table and play domino, and the man then come and 7 people get it, and them here say them cousin night and them brother night, and Mr. Johnson who no trouble nobody night. Them things they normally provoke residents to make the call. I hope the call is made. Something have to come out of this. Cannot have a society where people sit down, I play them games, I play them card, right? I drink them beer or whatever, a reason. Next thing you know, 7 people. Complete chaos. Complete chaos. And none of the 4 men they get catch. But I can imagine the security forces are after them. And let me tell you something, we know where to go end up. If we hear next week, so the police are up one of them, you already know it go already. Listen out for hear the kerosene because people the kerosene have been having a bad week. This has been a terrible week for kerosenes. We're hearing multiple stories, right? There was one incident that took place where you must say a try rob a woman with knife, licensed firearm holder, take him out, right? There's also another story where two 87s were taken out in Ocherius by a licensed fireholder. They were pull off robbery and the man wake them up. Plus, of course, as you know, the two man in my drop out, Boise, aka Hardball, and the next youth black man. All over social media, all we're seeing is kerosene. Playing the fake humanitarian role, telling us that, okay, men understand saying bad, but what them there for? See, kerosene's always a try explore every option how the 87 can live. They not have time to explore how the victims them can live, you know. When time I talk about the story about the victim, them, you them know, oh well boy, time's roughy man, that's all I'm have to say. Oh no, Jamaica really get bad, that's all I'm have to say. When I read about the victims, when I comment about the victims, and them little posts I get my like 5 likes on the major social media page. But when time at 87 dead, and kerosene start pour out her heart, start tell us, why didn't I have to do him like that? Then could have just carry me in. Why CTAC shoot him? Them could have just lick him with one pillow. Why CTAC never use some pillow and just lick him in the and then carry me in? Why they couldn't fling one stone and lick him on him ankle? Why didn't I shot him? See, kerosenes and potential kerosenes get real upset when an 87 drop out because they know that's one less baby father for them. And their life is not complete if them can't tell people say a J-Bad Pitney, a Sci-Fi Pitney, a Hadji's Pitney. If them can't tell anybody that, them life not complete. That right there is success for a kerosene. And speaking about footballers, the youth who used to play for Arnett Garden and was now playing for, was recently playing for Tivoli Garden, he's now been officially charged, right? That's Jabboy Johnson, right, aka Baller. Right? He's been charged with 2 others, youth name Bye Bye, real name Roger Squire, right? And the next one, Stammer, real name Kevin McLean, right? So a Baller get officially charged the same day another Baller gets shot and injured. As me say, Jamaica is a Netflix series, so we have to go see how all of this play out, right? So as me say, people, that's it for today. Southborough, people, we need to link up. We need to link up because I have a very, very strong suspicion so the place is about to get real ugly, especially after something like this to go down, right? I would love to hear what the real backstory is behind this complete madness. Anyway, Patreon squad, big up on yourself. You don't know, PIA, more life. Bless.